Hello there, guys. I'm out here trying out some new props again. This time I'm trying out the GEMFAN Hurricane 514773s, the JB Joshua Bardwell editions. And yeah, I guess we're gonna check those out. So first impressions with these props, pretty good, to be honest. They feel really good so far. That's all I can say. They seem to be very smooth for doing tricks. They don't feel like they're giving you way too much torque when you hit the throttle. It feels like you have a lot of control. Yeah, so far pretty good. I mean, I know JB didn't make these, but he worked with GEMFAN a lot on these, and man, they're really good. They're really good. They are pretty dialed in for freestyle, and I think that's what he wanted them to be for. And yeah, it's there. It's good. Probably the best prop I've flown with, like, I would say my freestyle batteries. It feels like they can easily handle anything. Alright, I just got done flying these GEMFAN Hurricanes 5147 JB, the Joshua Bardwell editions. And first impressions of them, pretty good. So far my favorite. I have another set and I might fly that. Well, I probably will fly those. Yeah, I like them. They're so far my favorite. Gonna call them my daily, not sure yet. But it's a big, whoa, hello. It's a big possibility that these might be my new daily props for now. They just seem to be running pretty smooth. I feel really comfortable with them. It doesn't feel like my throttle's doing anything weird. Like when I hit it, like, it doesn't feel like it's too torquey. The pitch seems really good. The size feels really good. I didn't bring out any of my larger batteries, so I don't know how it flies with those. I'll update you guys on that. So as far as the GEMFAN 5147s Joshua Bardwell edition props, give it a thumbs up. Probably gonna run them for a while, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.